what we need to understand is that nighttime sleep and day sleep are very different types of sleep. Obviously, the nighttime sleep is one long consolidated stretch of sleep, and during the day they are shorter sleep cycles, which is interspersed with awake time. So for our babies, the more challenging sleep actually is the day sleep cycles. And I think we need to make sure, and this is really, really important, in order for the day naps to consolidate, we need to make sure the nighttime is intact. So a lot of families will say, my baby sleeps really well at night, but I'm really struggling with the day naps. So their kind of perception or their idea of what sleeping well at night is might mean that their baby is getting, let's just say a 10-month-old baby is getting 9 or 10 hours of sleep at night. Already there's a shortfall of sleep there. So we need to understand that 12 to 13 hours that we talk about, which is pretty much prevalent all the way through until at least say about 2.5, 3, when it might slightly start to decrease. So we've got to understand that in order for those day naps to consolidate, our babies need to be getting that solid 12 to 13 hours of sleep at night time. So we need
going into the day well rested as opposed to already.
Absolutely. So I guess what I would say to that, in summary, is to say that usually what we find is that if the day naps aren't happening well and there's a challenge and there's a battle, it's actually usually, almost always I would say, tied back to the fact that the nighttime is actually not consolidated and is not intact.